Hello, follow internet. After open your Camtasia, open up your file manager, go inside downloads, select MP3 image and ringtone template. After that, I'm going to import this media inside Camtasia. You can drag and drop here. After that, close this. Now I'm going to hit inside this template, video template. I'm going to drag and drop inside track 1. After that, this is image. We are going to drag and drop track 2. Now select this audio. After that, it will inside track 3. Just you can drag and drop here. After that, you can select this image and you can resize. But after that, go inside opacity. This is okay. Now scroll down. This is image. You can resize it. This is our ringtone size. You can follow this size. After that, this is not increase this length. Don't worry, you can again drag and drop this inside here. After that, scroll it. Now cut it. After that, and play. Now go inside export, go inside custom production, hit new custom production, go default MP3 smart player. Now check controller uncheck, go inside size, you can resize it 1920 and height 1080. After that, you can go inside video setting. This is okay. After that, go inside audio setting. This is also okay. Now hit next. Hit next. Create your project name. In my case, Vikram Ringtone create. This is our project name. Hit finish.